how to keep your account safe on Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to keep your account safe Facebook two-factor authentication problem. Alright, let's begin. In this instructional video, I will guide you through a new approach to address the two-factor authentication issue on your Facebook account, ensuring the security of your profile. The specific problem relates to difficulties encountered while attempting to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. To resolve this, I present a two-step solution. Step 1 involves creating an Instagram account and linking it to the affected Facebook account. To achieve this, start by opening your Instagram account. Click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner, then select the third element in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then under Settings and Privacy, select Account Center. Within the Account Center, click on Profiles and subsequently click Add Accounts. Opt for adding a Facebook account, and if the desired account is not displayed by default, click Not You to add other accounts. Once selected, click Continue to finish adding accounts. This establishes a link between your Facebook and Instagram accounts. With your accounts linked, proceed to Step 2, which involves deactivating the Facebook account via the Instagram app. While logged in, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and select the third dash icon in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then proceed to Account Center. Under Account Center, select Account Settings, followed by Personal Details. Within Personal Details, choose the option for Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion and choose to deactivate the Facebook account. Enter your Facebook password, select This is temporary. I'll be back as the reason for deactivation and continue. In the Reactivation section, choose Don't Reactivate Automatically from the drop-down menu and click Done. Confirm the temporary deactivation, leaving the option to continue using Messenger unselected. Finally, confirm and select Deactivate My Account. Note that this is a temporary measure and your account will not be deleted, preserving your information. Subsequently, log into your Facebook account using any browser of your choice. Navigate to Facebook login by typing Facebook.com or selecting it from the search results. Once logged in, the option to enable two-factor authentication will no longer be displayed, providing you with a choice to reactivate it if desired. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.